my name is Yuting, and I'm the engineering manager for our editing features team right here at Canva. And I'm here tonight to announce our second update to the Visual Suite. In 2022, we launched Canva websites with the belief that building a beautiful website should be easy and accessible for everyone. Since then, they've become a go-to tool for our community. Just earlier this year, we launched new multi-page websites so that you can create full sites that grow with your ideas. Your site looks good on any device and is fully responsive on mobile. Whether you're collaborating on a campaign or building a sales hub for your client, Canva websites are free to build, launch, and run. Plus, analytics are built in, so you're always informed about views and engagement. All sounds pretty great, right? And it is, and we're so proud of what we built, though there's been one missing piece until now. Because the best websites, they aren't just beautiful, they're interactive. But creating a truly interactive website, well, that still requires a dev team and a really complex backend system. And all of this means collecting information from your audience isn't easily accessible to all. But imagine if your website could do more. Imagine if it could collect signups, feedback, questions, whatever you need, and it was all built in. Well, it turns out, plenty of you have imagined exactly that. And we can't wait to bring it to you with our new interactive and interconnected forms. This is a brand new way to collect information that doesn't just gather responses. It turns information into insights that you can actually use. These forms aren't just functional, they're part of your full brand experience. You can drag and drop a customizable form straight into a website or even a presentation and forget the integrations and third-party tools. This is built right into Canva. This is made for your brand and ready when you need it. So use it to collect signups, feedback, pre-orders, any important information from your audience. Then, when the responses start rolling in, they flow straight into Canva Sheets, turning data into insights that you can act on right away.